Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. And I'm just going to cover one little item. So if you didn't watch part one, you might want to watch it. But if you remember, I said in that video that if we would have contoured it twice, we would have something to put the center of the arrow in. So I've got this in the center. I'm going to turn it into a 3-point, three-sided triangle. Go to Effects and Contour. Contour to the outside 2 inches. But really, let's do this. Let's go 1 inch, but 2 steps. And look what it did. It gave us an arrow in the middle. Now I would go ahead and break the contour apart. And I'm just going to go over the part where we made a 3-sided arrow. And this will make life a little bit easier because now we have a middle of our part, and if we take our 4-point cross and put it right there on the middle, and if you look, it's at 60-degree angle. So if we move the rotation to here and just kind of move it, and then you're going to put 330. Now that is dead on. It's dead on in relation to the center. And what I would do now is put my nudge factor on like 2 inches, nudge that out of the way, and get rid of that center. I think we broke it apart. So I'm going to try to hit it and delete it. Nope. Go to Object, ungroup it, get that center one and delete it. And then you can nudge this one right back. That's dead on in the center, and you're a lot closer to where you want to be evenly. But if you didn't watch part one, this was just to kind of show how to get that arrow perfectly in the center. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.